Hi friends, this is Jessica Baker with Usborne Books More. I wanted to show you some of my favorite math items that we carry. These are great for homeschooling, but also for any students that just need a little extra practice or kind of some skill and drill things with math. So the first thing I want to show you is our wrap-ups. These come in addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. They also have these in states and capitals. So these are perfect for when kids just have to kind of memorize those basic multiplication facts, learning addition and subtraction, things like that. So the way they work is they have these strings. They start on this side with the number. The problem is in the middle, divided by 1. So it starts with 7 over here, divided by 1. You find the answer on the other side and you put the string there. And you bring it back and you do the next one. So it goes all the way down until you're finding the answers on the side. And when they're finished, they can self-check because there's raised bumps on the back. So they can see if their answers are correct. If they need to do that one over, if they've got them right, they can move on to the next one. And so they kind of just go through the times tables that way. A lot of fun. My kids like those. They also have this new book, Lift the Flap Times Tables. Lift the Flaps are great for helping kids remember things, keep them in their memories, and the visual interaction with the book. So for instance, this whole page is times 3. So it has like questions. If a shooting star has 3 tails, how many tails would 5 shooting stars have? So they read it, they picture it. It's the word problems, and then they can lift the flap and see the answer. 3 times 5 is 15. So they interact with the book. They've got lots of ways to do that on each of the pages, and this book actually goes up through 12s, so times 12, and then the back page they've got the actual multiplication tables and all kinds of fun problems. It'll mix them up for them too. Along with times tables, they have this activity book that I'm actually getting ready to introduce with my 3rd grader this year. But it's just kind of coloring, filling in the blanks. There's also stickers in the back so they can apply the stickers to the answers, put how many cupcakes this would get. If you had 7 times 11 sprinkles, how many ones would this have? And so it's just really fun, interactive, coloring, stickers, things like that, but then they're learning the times tables at the same time. The last math book I wanted to show you was called This Is Not a Math Book. So we may be thinking, oh, it shouldn't be in this video, but this is awesome. Any students that aren't really keen on math but love art instead, this is a great way to tie the two together. So it is kind of more geometry based, with art and tessellations and circles and all kinds of stuff. Super fun. I have that artistic side, so I actually bought a copy of this for me to play with. But students that like math and maybe not art, or like art and not math, this would be a great way to kind of blend the two together. Or just students that have that creative side that you want to kind of draw them into the math world, this would be great. So those are some of our favorite math books with Usborne Books and More. Thanks.